Can you get thicker and healthier hair with hair care? If you know the tips that actually work and follow them consistently, the answer is yes. You can. Today I'm sharing my top 5 tried and tested tips that actually worked for me in achieving healthier and thicker hair. And don't worry, these tips won't break the bank. So without further ado, let's get started. First tip, hair oiling. Let's talk about a slightly different but a super effective method of hair oiling. Focusing on the ends. Most of us are used to massaging oil into our scalps, but applying it to the ends of your hair is actually more beneficial, especially if you deal with dry split ends or frizz. Why focus on the ends? You might be thinking, dude, our hair grows from the scalp. Then why focus on the ends? Let me tell you. The ends of your hair are the oldest part, meaning they are more prone to breakage and dryness. Applying oil here helps create a coating around the hair, prevents breakage, and gives a smooth, nourished look. How to do it? Here's a simple method. Choose a lightweight oil like argan, jojoba, or coconut oil, as they don't make your hair too greasy and can be washed off easily. My favorite is OGX coconut oil hair serum. Warm a few drops of the oil between your palms. Less is more here. Apply only to the last few inches of your hair, focusing on the ends. Start with a small amount and add a bit more if your hair is thicker or particularly dry. Comb through gently with your fingers or a wide tooth comb to distribute the oil evenly. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes before washing it out. This approach is perfect if you want the benefits of hair oiling without any side effects. Tip number 2, massaging your scalp. Massaging your scalp can actually be helpful for healthier hair. But no hair oil is needed. Not only hair oil to the scalp has no scientifically proven benefits, but also it can worsen conditions like dandruff or seborrheic dermatitis. You can massage your scalp before or during the shampoo. I sometimes use the ordinary glycolic acid or the Inclay salicylic acid exfoliating scalp treatment as a pre-wash scalp exfoliating treatment. I just put a few drops on my scalp, then slowly massage like this with my fingers. The massage helps with the increased blood circulation, and the scalp exfoliating products remove buildup, both of which play a crucial role in promoting healthy hair growth. Tip number 3, clean scalp. Just like skincare, keeping your scalp clean is crucial, especially if you're dealing with dandruff or buildup. Product residue, accumulation of sebum, dead skin cells, and dandruff can cause dullness, itchiness, and lead to hair loss. Using a clarifying shampoo or an anti-dandruff shampoo can make all the difference. I love the OG Head and Shoulders anti-dandruff shampoo and Neutrogena T-Cell shampoo as my clarifying shampoos. One pro tip, use a clarifying shampoo no more than once a week to avoid over-drying. For anti-dandruff shampoo, try to find a gentle one that is suitable for frequent users. Focus on massaging it into the scalp. Allow it to sit there for a few minutes before rinsing to let the active ingredients do their magic. A clean, refreshed scalp provides the perfect base for hair growth, helping your hair to look more shinier, healthier, and more manageable. Tip number 4, fixing damaged hair. Achieving healthier hair starts with a strong foundation. You need to fix existing damage if you want your hair to grow thick and healthy. And for that, I swear by the Dove Intensive Repair Shampoo. This shampoo is formulated to repair damaged hair with every wash thanks to its fiber actives and 1/4 moisturizing milk for deeper nourishment. I add the Dove 10-in-1 hair mask in my weekly routine. This mask dives deep into each strand to reverse up to 3 years of damage. Trust me, once you start using it, you will notice the result immediately. Tip number 5, bond repair technology for hair repairing. Alright, the last tip might sound a bit advanced, but it's totally worth it. Bond repair technology. This works at the molecular level to repair and reinforce the bond within each strand. Basically, it reverses your hair damage. I use the L'Oreal Elvi Bond Repair Pre-Shampoo Treatment before my shower and L'Oreal Elvi Bond Repair Serum post-shower. These products help restore and strengthen those crucial bonds in the hair shaft, making my hair feel smoother, less frizzy, and more resistant to damage. They have been a game changer for me, especially since I style my hair often. And there you have it, my top 5 tips for healthier, shinier, and thicker hair. Remember, consistency is the key. Hair takes time to grow and thicken, but with right products and tricks, you will see amazing results. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself and happy hair growing. This is Diba signing off today from Diba's Quest.